welcome to our factory. As you can see, we got 5 floors in this building. Okay, I'm gonna introduce you one by one. The first and the second floor are our agent area, and the third floor is our assembling line, and the fourth floor is our warehouse, and the top floor is our office floor.
So this is the top floor of our factory. There are office area and the demo room and some other places. Now let's go inside and have a look. Welcome to Linsn LED, and this is our front desk, and here are our demo rooms. Now let's go inside. This is our sample room. Our conference room and our LED modules. Displays cabinet. And this is our office area. And this is our boss office. So this is one of the warehouses of our LED factory. So we will place some components of the LED modules here, such as IC, PCB boards, and LED lights, or some other things of the LED modules. Though this storage is really big for us to store some components there.
Okay, the first machine we see is FMT machine, which uses solder paste to attach ICs into the PCB board. Okay, now let's take a look at the difference. After the ICs are attached to the PCB board, it will be converted to the reflow soldering machine. So this is our reflow soldering machine, and there are our maintenance brackets and some main steps, etc. Okay, now let's go and take a look at the main steps. Reflow soldering machine is for baking, which serves to secure the components. Finally, the PCB board is released for heat dissipation. Similarly, we will use the FMT machine once again to attach the LED lights to the PCB board. Okay, so this is our LED light. You can take a look. Okay, after that, the PCB board will go through the reflow soldering machine once again to secure the components and the LED lights. After that, the PCB board will be released for heat dissipation. You can see there are a lot of fans. A check will be conducted to maintain and ensure the proper functioning of the LED lights. We already come to this part, and he will apply the LED module base and then put it into this machine. This machine will apply 3 proof painting. They are moisture proof, waterproof, and dust proof. All outdoor LED modules require painting. If there were any customers require indoor LED modules to be painted, it can be done as well. Okay, finally, we will come to this part. Finally, the PCB board needs to be flipped over to check whether the painting is in place. Okay, after that, he will put the PCB board into this machine and fasten the screws. Okay, after they fasten the screws, this machine will apply adhesive to the front surface of the LED module for outdoor waterproofing. And then the LED module will come to this rack. This rack is for air drying. There were 60 meters for the LED to air dry. After air drying, this man will put a mask on the surface of the LED module. After the mask part, this machine will apply the screws on the surface of this LED machine. After that, an LED module is completed. The second floor is our 48-hour continuous module aging workshop, capable of aging 500 modules at a time. The average daily output reaches 10,000 modules. This is our large module aging rack, suitable for the EV series, such as 480 x 320. Take a look. Here are the size here.